Your neighborhood do-it-best store is your best source for friendly service, expert advice, and innovative products like these. If you have a workshop, whether it's at home or the office, and you want to bring some great new lighting to this area, Alex from Lithonia Lighting is going to tell us about their new LED offerings. Alex, tell us about these lights.
Sure, Evan. So we have a 36-inch and 48-inch configuration in the LED Shoplight. This is a 3,000 lumen package, and the 48-inch is a 3,200 lumen package. A little bit about the packaging. Both come standard with all mounting hardware included. The 48-inch, however, does come with a rocker switch on the end. They both have a rated life for 35,000 hours.
And help me understand, what kind of lifespan is that? Because I don't keep track of my life in hours like that. Help us out.
Roughly the next 20 years.
20 years. So this has roughly a 20-year lifespan. What are some of the advantages of LED over, say, a fluorescent fixture?
Sure. One that I would really like to point out would be the maintenance. With a lifespan of 35,000 hours, after you put it up, you leave it alone. It's going to be fine.
So I won't get that enjoyable experience of going out and having that thing flickering at me and having to replace a bulb and...
Oh, no. And these are perfect for shops. That was what it was designed for since its inception. That's what this light was for.
And as you can see, it's totally very, very bright. I can't imagine how much that would bring my own workshop, my own workbench to life. What about Lithonia itself? Help us understand, why should folks jump at the opportunity to buy Lithonia lighting?
Absolutely. So Lithonia is the leading LED technology manufacturer as far as lighting is concerned, also controls in the U.S. As your branded partner, we take pride in paying attention to where the market goes and making sure that we're first on the ground when it does arrive.
Awesome. Alex, thanks so much for sharing this with us today. Well, if you want to bring new light to your workspace, I encourage you to check out these LED shop lights from Lithonia Lighting, available at your neighborhood do-it-best. This is just a sampling of the more than 67,000 items available from your friendly neighborhood do-it-best store. Check them out today.